Hi my loves, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo, saying hi. And I am doing what is now like my once every 6 months empties post. Doing my best to keep working through some of my products. If you guys know, I'm just kind of trying to declutter the slow way and use up my products. So I feel like if you guys would like to see everything I've used up in the last few months, probably about 6 months or so, then please watch on. Well, let us get started. Everything is in this Nordstrom container. As you can see, it's chock-a-block full, and I just need to empty it now. So I try not to wait for it to get this full, but I think there's a lot of full-size products in here, which is why it looks like that. So it is what it is. But yeah, so if you've been here before, thanks so much for coming back. If it's your first time here, hi, welcome. My name is Neo. I like to talk about luxury. I like to talk about beauty. I'm also an esthetician. I do a little bit of everything. So yeah, if you like what you see, then please do subscribe. Appreciate it. Share the video. Definitely leave a comment below. And thank you so much for coming back or for checking me out. Yeah, okay, let's get going. This is like a staple in my house. There's so many of them. Cetaphil body lotions. We go through these like it's crack. We have dry skin in my family, and we live in a dry climate, otherwise known as Arizona. So we always are going through this Cetaphil body lotions, and yeah, highly recommend them. A little hair care product. This is Camille Rose, the Honeydew spray. Yeah. I did this thing where I went to Target and I was just buying all the different hairsprays by the black-owned brands. So this was one of them. We did like this one. We will be repurchasing this. I definitely felt like it did make my daughter's hair nice and moisturized. I wear braids most of the time, so a lot of products that I'm trying out, I try on her hair to see how she retains it. Not how she retains it, how products help her retain moisture, because we live in a hard water place, so I'm always worried about moisture, hair moisture. Is that the word I'm looking for? I think so. Here we go. This is excuse me. It's just a Walgreens brand nail polish remover, the biggest size I could find. I'm not fussy about nail polish removers. And I actually like it when they have acetone in them, because let's get straight to it. Acetone works. Is it drying? Yes. Does it work? Yes. I use it. Probably also why I have the moisturizers. All right, next is, I actually think I bought this like at TJ Maxx or something like that, but it is Korres Yogurt Shower Gel. I kind of like this. I think it was it fragrance free? I don't remember it having a scent. My husband is very sensitive to scents, so I always try to find stuff that has like no smell to it. And so I picked this up probably, if I see it again and it's on sale, because I think it was like $4 at either TJ Maxx or one of the outlet stores, the cheaper stores. Oh, this is a favorite, guys. I live and die by this product. Soy Fresh Cleanser, and I keep repurchasing this product. I actually have the biggest size in my shower right now as we speak. And I know you're not supposed to wash your face in the shower. The water is too hot. I know these things. It's like one of the few skincare rules that I break. I'm sorry, but I do. So I really like this. I just feel like it is, wait, hold on. I really like this cleanser. I feel like it doesn't strip my skin too much. I do have dry skin, so I don't need something that's for acneic skin. So this works out for me perfectly. I do find that this needs this needs like you have to remove your makeup first before you use this. I don't think it's an effective makeup remover, but it is a good facial cleanser after you've removed your makeup. This is something, actually, I think I got this from Influencer. I got a whole package of products from Boots number 7, or is it just called number 7 now? I don't know. This was a day cream with SPF 30. I I have nothing to say about this. I did use it to the end because we were using it as our sunscreen in the car. I live in Arizona. I don't want to get the dark spots on my hands, although you can't see my hands are so much tanner than my face. So heck, maybe this wasn't that effective at all. I don't have a problem with drugstore products, but that's something that I would not repurchase. Ooh, here is something that is actually very good. This is Rhonda Allison. This is something that is a Med Spa skincare line. This was their hydration cream with hyaluronic acid. So very moisturizing. I'm actually gonna see if I have any left. Put it all over my hands, and I do. Very moisturizing, and you know, obviously hyaluronic acid is very trendy right now. So great product. Yeah. Peter Thomas Roth. Remember when we all lived and died by these unwrinkled peel pads? 20% acid complex. We all just love them. Yeah, I remember that. I used to love them. But then I could never use them up in time without them all drying out. And look at that. Look at that. What a waste. Now you see why I'm like, I gotta work through this stuff, because not only do I hoard makeup, but I also hoard skincare. And now, of course, because I've become an esthetician, I'm blaming it on that. But that's not what it is. That's not what it is. I just hoard. I'm a hoarder. Let's see. Clarins. Wow. I don't know. I think this came from Influencer as well. This was some kind of day lotion from Clarins. I can't read it. Yeah, it's a day cream multi-active jour. I keep things like this that are not part of my regular skincare routine. I keep them in my desk. And when my hands feel dry or my feet feel dry, I'll just put them on just to moisturize. But it wasn't like a must-have or anything like that. Now here is an absolute friggin' must-have. This is my UOMA Woke Concealer, my Stay Woke Concealer. I like to use the color T2, already repurchased. This is just, you know, hide my dark circles or any like spots or anything like that. Everyday concealer, can't function without it, already repurchased. Love that one. Hair product, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. We love this one with the keratin in it. Absolutely love this one. Already repurchased. I really need to start buying the biggest size bottle, but I tend to pick these up with Ulta coupons whenever I come across them. Or use them to bump me up or whatever. So, but really great moisturizer and works well on my own and my daughter's hair. And this is a bump eraser. Yeah. So I have KP, Kerastus pilaris. You know, like the chicken skin, the bumpy skin, I have it on the back of my legs. So I read the reviews and everybody says that the KP Bump Eraser Scrub from First Aid worked for them. And I tried it and it didn't work for me. So if it's worked for you, let me know. It does have AHAs in it. I'm not sure which one. I see it has lactic acid and glycolic acid. I've tried other glycolic acid products. I even tried these. On the back of my legs, I didn't feel like it worked, so who knows? Not for me anyway. Oops, Kopari deodorant. This is another ride or die in my collection. Look, I use that sucker down. Love these. I don't like it when they bubble though. Like I'll put it on and I'll go running and then I'll forget and I'll wave at someone and it's bubbled. It's literally like fizz. I don't know how that happens. It's weird. Oh, yes. Need to repurchase, waiting on a sale. It's the Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I really like this product. If this was on the 21 days ultra sale and I forgot about it, I'm not going to be happy. But great day moisturizer, used empty. Wish it had a sunscreen. I don't think I've seen one with a sunscreen. I like the cream version. I find it nice and heavy enough for my dry skin. Highly recommend it. If you're following my That's Expensive product, That's Expensive project pan where you're going to use up like some of your more expensive beauty products. This was in there. I'm actually really, really proud of myself for finishing this foundation. It's the second foundation I've finished this year. I have a foundation hoard. Actually, you know what? I watch a lot of YouTubers. I'm not that bad with the foundation hoard, but I was overwhelmed with my foundation hoard. So I'm happy that I'm down to. Never mind, I've added two, but I'm down to. Oh, this was another thing from my That's Expensive project pan. It is the Pca Skin. This was another SPF 30. I use SPF. I know some people don't believe in it. All of that stuff, but I've been using SPF consistently daily since I landed on these shores in America and got pretty smart about it. Probably in my at least 20 years. I want to say my mid-20s because I'm pretty sure I was still in college. And yeah, that's that. All right, this spilled. Another Rhonda Allison cleanser. This is the pumpkin cleanser. Oh, it smells so good. It's a bit strong because it does have pumpkin fruit enzymes in it. So some people can find it a little irritating. Let me see. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, is it good if you're looking, it's got lactic acid in it too. If you're looking for a little skin renewal, your skin's congested, you need some skin brightening, Pro 10 Youth Pumpkin Cleanser from Rhonda Allison. Yeah, this is worth every penny because I think this is like, I don't know, probably like 60 bucks for the bottle. Don't quote me, I don't know, it's good. Kiehl's Creamy Eye Cleanser, love this. Creamy Eye, avocado, creamy something. Avocado Creamy Eye Treatment, super, super empty. I like this in the winter, so it's probably time for me to get another one. Ooh. Haha. Ooh, there's a little bit left in there, I didn't notice that. Acid Fix by Omorovicza. You guys know I love Omorovicza products. I've been purchasing them for a couple of years now. Acid Fix is their glycolic acid, lactic acid serum. I love this product, but I do think it's overpriced. And I think I noticed recently the price had jumped up even more to like $120 or something. So I highly, highly recommend it. And at the exact same time, I'm highly, highly looking for something to replace it with because I love it. I think it's great, but I've discontinued, unfortunately, glycolic acid products that were not even half the price and were just as good. So I am a firm believer in glycolic acid. I do love this product, but if you can find it on sale, 25% off, that's when you purchase it. And I'm on the backup. What can I say? I like it. I could like a product and then still be overpriced. These are just some samples that I use. This is a skincare line that I use in my salon suite. It's called Skin Scripts. It's local here to Phoenix. I also retail it. If anyone's ever looking for Skin Scripts, then I'm your girl. But these are just some of the samples when I was trying to find new products to carry in my suite. And so cherry enzyme and coconut papaya, both of which I ended up purchasing. Another one, this is the Goji berry yogurt mask. I like this, it's very, very hydrating. And after you've, given someone an enzyme treatment and their skin is looking a little flushed, because the oxygen is circulating and everything is flushed and glowing and plump, you still want to hydrate it and help soothe it and calm it and just kind of bring it back down a little bit. So Goji berry mask is really good. Goodness, how much Rhonda Allison do I have in here? This is the Foaming Peptide Cleanser, again by Rhonda Allison. I know I had to use this. I just remember it mainly being like non-stripping, but nothing else about it is sticking out to me, so I'm just gonna move on. Wow, another one. two concealers. 2 concealers in 1 year, that's a lot for me. No, it's not. Nail polish, Olay Bonder. Holy crap, I really, really do like this product, and I felt like it made my nail polish stick on longer, but when I use it consistently, it turned my nails yellow. Like yellow. So sad, but you can't stay. Other random nail polishes, just ick. And this one, I actually like this one, the Color Stage Gel Envy Top Coat. I think what I really liked about this one was it's fat, and I can't open it, of course. Yeah, I think it dried out. But it had a very fat brush, so you could literally do like one coat and cover your whole nail. That was nice. All right, more skincare samples. Strawberry Spearmint Mask. Great scent. And others also. This one is Rhonda Allison. That got a lot of use. This is Sephora. Some kind of charcoal mask. I'm not a dry skin girl, so I try to avoid charcoal masks for my own personal use. Oh, this is old. Tatcha Radiant Brightening Cream. There's something still in there, but I don't know how long this has been in my drawer, my skincare stash, so it's just gotta go. Skincare will expire, people, which we all know. SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, the clear lotion. This is the one you're supposed to use if you have acneic skin. I use it here and there, but I don't get a lot of pimples, so I wouldn't, for me personally, I wouldn't repurchase that particular version. I do have the regular SK2 Pca. I always have this, always have this in my collection. I would say this is like my top 2, maybe top 3 most repurchased product ever. I live and die by it. Okay, what is in here? Thomas Roth. It's supposed to be a peeling gel, something or the other. I don't know how long I've had this for. It's just gotta go. Sometimes things just gotta go. Look, Mama finished the lipstick. Did I? Yeah, no, I did. This is obviously Christian Louboutin. I'm so proud of myself for finishing a $90 lipstick. Ha ha ha. I feel like I got my money's worth, baby. Look at that. Done. Nothing. Nada. Gone. Empty. Bye-bye. We are done. It's so satisfying to throw away some of this stuff. It really is. Because you feel like you gotta use it. That was 90 bucks. I'm pretty sure I bought it on sale at like 10 or 20% off, but still, you gotta use it. I feel like I have to. That's the thing. I feel like, oh, I spent so much, I gotta use it. Ooh, I love this. Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic plus Retinol Triple Concentration Eye Serum. I cannot find it. I think they changed the formulation, they changed the name. I don't know what they did with this product, but they gotta bring it back. That was the best eye cream I've ever used. Super old, super did not match, just gotta go. Another product that is always on the repurchase list. This is L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Mascara, needs no introduction. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you need to know. Buy it. And then super old, super empty. Yeah, what is this? MAC concealer. Yeah, 3 concealers. That should tell you a lot because I've got dark eye circles, so I gotta work on that. Woo, this is a lot. It's gonna feel so freeing to throw half of this stuff away, so I'm really super happy that I got through all of this. And I feel sorry for the planet because it's a lot of packaging. Oh, yay. Yeah, but I got through a lot of it, so I feel like at least, I may be full of consumerism, but at least I used my stuff, right? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember what I always say, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make. Make the right choice for you, for yourself. Moment by moment, stay focused, stay aligned, stay in your true purpose. And if you don't know what your true purpose is, go looking. Ask yourself questions. What do you want to do? All right then. Thank you. Bye.